students, very good morning to all. Hope you all are fine and safe, staying at your home only. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter that is The Portrait of a Lady, written by Khushwant Singh. Okay, and in today's lecture we are going to discuss about some of the important points of the same chapter. Okay, and first one point I want to tell you all that this is the story of a grandmother and a grandson. Okay, and in this story the most important question is about the character sketch of grandmother. Grandmother was old and wrinkled, mean to say her face was full of wrinkles. She always looked the same to the author throughout the 20 years he has known her, mean to say from the 20 years she is having the same thinking. Okay, grandfather's portrait in the drawing room showed him wearing a big turban, एक बड़ी सी पगड़ी पहनी है grandfather ने, loose fitting clothes, and the clothes those are not very much fit. A long white beard, लंबी सी दाढ़ी है, covered the best part of his chest. Okay, mean to say कि इतनी लंबी दाढ़ी है, इतनी long beard है that it is covering the chest also. He too looked old, very very old. Okay, he was just looking very old. Okay, grandmother was short and fat, slightly bent her face, mean to say a cross of wrinkles. Due to the wrinkles her face was slightly bent like this. Okay, and she was very short, always dressed in the spotless white cloth, with one hand resting on the waist to support and the another telling the beads. Okay, mean to say she always just do one hand like this, okay, on her waist, okay, like this, and she always wear the white cloth. Her silver locks scattered on the face. Okay, what was that? Silver locks, mean to say जो silver उसने कानों में पहना है वो. She had a pale, puffed up face. Okay, that was puffed up but very much pale face. Pale mean to say yellowish. Her lips always moved in a silent prayer. She always do the prayer. Okay, she was calm, beautiful, and serene. Mean to say she is very much peaceful behavior. She is having very much peaceful behavior. The author and grandmother were together all 24 hours of the day. Author and grandmother always, mean to say who is the author, that is the grandson. Okay, grandmother woke him up and readied for him for school. She help her grandson to get ready for the school. They left home together. They just left home together, both of them. School was inside the temple premises. Premises mean to say area where the school was situated, in the temple premises. Okay, the author attended classes. Grandmother sat in the temple reading scriptures. And what the grandmother do when the author attended classes, at that time grandmother just continued to read the scriptures. Okay, together they left or for home, and together they left for home. On the way fed the village dogs stale chapatis. Okay, stale mean to say that is for basi chapati. Okay, turning point came when they shifted to city. What happened? Before that they were living in the village, now they get shifted in the city. The author went to a different kind of school. Now the author started to go in a different kind of school. Grandmother could no longer participate in his lessons, though they still shared the same room. But grandmother now she can't take part in her studies, in his studies. Why? Because now they are sharing the room, but lessons they are not able to share because he has started to go in a different type of school. Grandmother shocked to hear he was being given music lesson. Grandmother was really very much shocked that are you giving music lessons also? She considered music mean and low, but did not oppose or protest. She did not oppose that, she did not protest for the same, but she think music is for the lower caste people, not for us. Left to herself, lonely grandmother started feeding sparrows on the veranda during afternoon. Now she can't help she can't help her grandson. Okay, now she just have to do the other work also. She spent her time just feeding the sparrows. Soon hundreds of sparrows started visiting her. Hundreds of sparrows came to just whenever you just also started to feed one dog now, automatically after 1 day 2 day he or she will just continue be in front of your home. Okay, and Soon hundreds of sparrows, she fed them and played with them. उनको fed खाना खिलाती हैं और उनके साथ खेलती हैं. Sparrow became her friends and playmates. And what the sparrows become? Sparrow becomes their her friends and playmates also. Author's departure to London. Grandmother came to station and sent him off. Okay, that was just the event also. Author apprehensive may not see grandmother on his return after 5 years. He was thinking कि maybe it is also कि I am not able to see my grandmother again. But grandmother was assured. But grandmother was very much assured about it. Calmly, she bade him goodbye. What she said? Goodbye. Author's return after 5 years. Author return after 5 years. A change came over grandmother in the evening. Change came there. Got an old musical drum, ढोलकी. ऐसे होती है ना, ऐसे बजाते हैं जो ढोलकी. Out and sang and sang and sang excitedly till late night. Up to the late night, she just started to beat that drum. Next morning, grandmother had slight fever. Next morning, what happened with grandmother? She was having slight fever. Okay, and doctor said nothing to worry, but grandma knew better. Doctor said there is nothing to be worried. All things are superb. All things are going very much smoothly. But grandmother knew better that my end is near. Grandma decided only to pray and not to talk to anyone. That I'll only pray, I'll not talk to anyone. Family protested, but she ignored. All the family just do, but she ignored. She was not speaking with them. Remained mum and kept telling her beads. Okay, she just kept telling her beads. हाथ में लेती थी ऐसे माला फेरती रहती थी. Hundreds of birds gather on the veranda to mourn grandmother's death. Okay, hundreds of birds. वहाँ इकट्ठे हो गए इतने सारे birds in the veranda. Okay, they sat silently till the body was removed. They sat silently there only. The body was removed and the birds flew away, ignoring the crumbs of bread thrown to them by the author's mother. Mean to say कि ऑथर की ग्रैंड मदर के एक्सपायर होने के बाद जब ऑथर की माँ ने उन्हें जो है क्रम्स डाले, ब्रेड क्रम्स, तो उन्होंने नहीं खाए और वो वहाँ से उड़कर चली गई. Okay, my dear student, this was about the important points of the chapter, and I am gonna share with you this glossary. Okay, this one is also, and this one is also. Please just write down this glossary items in your notebook. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. If you will write the glossary item first, na, then definitely for the chapter it's going to be easy for you. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.